Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's the Monday after our trip to Tahoe. Not more importantly, we were in South Shore. Robin had a union retreat and I got to go as a guest. I didn't have to do the retreat stuff. Thank God. But they had a good time. The retreat was good for them. Um, Lots of food. First night, we went to the Fox and Hound, which when the family had timeshares or a timeshare up there at the Ridge, we would always eat the Friday night at the Fox and Hound, and they have a wonderful pizza. It was pulled pork and pineapple. It wasn't Hawaiian. A little nice tangy barbecue sauce, very yummy. And since we hadn't been there, probably about 8 to 10 years, they did a complete remodel inside. Wonderful. It's right off of Kingsbury Grade. The second night, we all had dinner at the Chart House, which is, again, just off Kingsbury Grade. Very nice. Fine dining, but with a little bit of a casual flair to it. The food was excellent. The company was phenomenal. Then the last night we were there, we drove down into Gardnerville to one of our usual spots called JT's Bar and Basque. Beautiful Basque food. They've been there since 1963. And people from all over go to JT's. Served family style. I shared a bunch of photos the night of. Great time. Last night, well, over the weekend, I did 2 photo safari adventures. Got plenty of pictures taken. I'm still very tired. My body is letting me know, as Robin pointed out this morning, I'm no longer 30 or 40. She wasn't being mean. She was just being real. So that's why I changed last night's menu from the fondue to taco fries. That's kind of that's a new thing here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. There's taco fries everywhere, I'm sure, but using some of my spice blends and so forth. It was a lot of fun and very yummy and very repeatable here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm changing tonight's menu just a little bit because I am still sore and tired from my adventures. We're going to do grilled ham and cheese, but I'm going to be putting together the Casual Chef macaroni salad. I'm going to be doing the meatloaf. We basically swapped the days. I'll be doing the meatloaf on Wednesday because tomorrow is fondue, part of the Era Eats. Yeah, so that's the story. I'm sticking to it. We had a great time up in Tahoe. I've got plenty of pictures. You'll be seeing them. Yes, I'm going to be sharing my photos in the group, just so you can see what I do when I'm not cooking or planning menus and stuff like that. So, on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.